Feliz Navidad from Plaza de las Tendias in Córdoba. The Tendias clock just strummed its iconic flamenco chord 6 times. The sun is setting and the energy around here is building. The city's already buzzing with dazzling lights, and the whole atmosphere has this magical, almost eerie vibe to it. Up ahead, a North American-style Santa is towering over the crowd, dressed in bright red bows and sparkling details. But Spanish kids grow up with the story of San Nicolás. While he might bring gifts to many European homes in December, here we wait for January 6th, Dia de los Reyes, when the three kings visit the baby Jesus and bring lots of gifts for everyone Spanish. Over there, the white H10 Colomera Hotel looks like a palace, both inside and out. It was built in 1928 by the Count and Countess of the same name. The weather vane on top of the building across is a real showstopper. It's a huge peacock perched on a special mechanism that lets it turn with even the slightest gust of wind. And all around are Christmas markets, rows of wooden stalls showcasing everything from handmade trinkets to Córdoba's beloved nativity scenes, known as Belén in Spanish. One artisan is even selling ultra-mini manger utensils, like the water botijo and dark brown clay dishes called barro, miniature versions straight from the Tierra of Spain. What's really cool about these stalls is that most of the items are from Spain, not made in China, and even better, they're often handmade right here in Córdoba. This street just off the square is a favorite for shopping. You've got big stores like Zara, Miss Atom, Stradivarius, but also smaller boutiques that won't break the bank. I had to pause for a moment because an elf was being filmed stepping into a beautifully decorated hair salon, complete with red bows and a mistletoe kissing chair. And now I'm in Calle Cruz Conde, Córdoba's busiest shopping street, transformed into a glowing wonderland. Above me, light displays stretch across the street, filling the air with excitement and drawing both locals and visitors in. The biggest highlight of the season, the spectacular light show. I happened to stumble upon it, but trust me, these people are here on purpose. They know what to expect, I don't. Everyone's got their phones out, ready to film and eagerly anticipating the show. Kids are bouncing up and down, and as the music kicks in, you can feel the rhythm of the season pulling everyone in. Dancing is in the Spanish DNA, from toddlers bouncing around to the stylish women who can't help but sway to the beat. The atmosphere is electric. It's the kind of vibe that makes you feel like you're truly in Europe. It's a balmy 12 degrees out, Celsius of course, and this is the heart of Christmas in Córdoba. People are loud, chatting through one another, and enjoying either a caña, a small beer, or a glass of wine while watching the show. It's a mix of tradition, togetherness, and festive fun that lights up not just the city, but the spirits of everyone who visits. Whether it's the glow of the lights, the sound of kids' laughter, or the simple joy of strolling through the markets with your family, this season brings out the very best of Córdoba. Welcome to the magic of a Córdoba Christmas.